Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jira tickets for design tasks with acceptance criteria, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Click on the Create button to initiate a new ticket. Select the issue type as task or design task based on your project setup. Enter a concise title for your design task. In the description field, provide a clear overview of the task at hand. List any relevant background information that might help the designer understand the context. Identify and define the acceptance criteria for the design task. Use bullet points or numbered lists to outline each acceptance criterion clearly. Ensure that each criterion is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Include any design specifications, such as dimensions, colors, or branding guidelines. Attach any relevant files or mockups that the designer may need. Assign the ticket to the appropriate team member or designer. Set a due date to ensure timely completion of the task. Specify the priority level for the ticket to indicate its importance. Add any necessary labels or components that can help in organizing the task within the project. Review the ticket details for accuracy and completeness. Click on the Create button to finalize and submit the ticket. Monitor the ticket's progress through its lifecycle in your Jira project. Engage with the assigned designer for any clarifications as needed. Once the design task is completed, review the output against the acceptance criteria. Provide feedback and request any necessary revisions before closing the ticket. Close the ticket once all criteria are met and the design is approved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.